Alrighty, guys, and here we have the final look. Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It is officially time for me to start getting dressed for this ARI LENNOX concert. Pressure, pressure. Y'all, so I drove down to LA today to make it in time for this concert. So that's why my head was in that like top knot little bun thing. But now it's time for me to get dressed. And yes, I got tissue on my face because I was popping pimples and it was just a lot going on. I honestly did not feel like going to this concert anymore. Just because like I was in my feelings, like I don't know if I was sad, lonely, depressed. I just did not feel like going anymore. But I gave myself a countdown. I got out the bed and I started getting dressed because I had to go and see my girl. And I am so happy I went. So for my hairstyle today, I'm doing 3 cinnamon rolls. I'm doing 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And yes, I still have my plaits in. So this made this style so much easier and like manageable to do. You're gonna need, you don't need, but I used 3 hair nets, a few hair ties, and maybe like 1 bobby pin. So yeah, stay tuned as I get dressed. Well, y'all, I'm already dressed, but as I do my hair, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. And y'all, this is pretty much my hair. Now it's time to do my face. I had to take that bloody tissue off. And if you don't know by now, I do not know how to apply makeup, okay? That's just not my forte. So as you see, I'm just doing a little lip liner with a little gloss. And that's about all I got for you. That's all I got for the kids. That's all I got for me. But I came out looking so pretty. I really enjoyed this concert, y'all. Hope y'all like this hairstyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all be blessed. Have a dope week. Peace.